Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to share Telegram group link. First, launch the Telegram app on your device. Then, scroll down to find the username associated with the group you want to share. Press on the three bar option located in the top right corner. After that, tap on the three bar option again to access more options. Then, select subscribers from the list. Tap on Invite links from the options available. In the middle of the screen, locate the Invite link option. Then, press on Copy to copy link to your clipboard. Go back to the main screen of the Telegram app. Then, open the chat dialog where you want to share the group link. Press and hold in the text input field until the paste option appears. Then, select Paste to paste the copied link into the chat. Once the link is pasted, it will be visible in the chat dialog. By following these steps, you can easily share the link to your Telegram group with others. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!